Alright, fellow YouTubers. Um, last week last week, I think it was late last week, I won a keyboard. Well, I bid it on eBay, and I actually won. And so it just got here. It took about, 5 days or so. Came from California, and I live on the East Coast. But I just wanted to do an unboxing real quick. There was a lot of UPS bullshit. Doesn't say anything. No. Alright, but anyway, just wanted to do a quick little unboxing for you guys. So, see if I can do this with my little ghetto hook blade. There we go. I ordered a Apple wireless keyboard last week off of eBay, and hold on, turn it down. But yeah, I ordered a keyboard last week. It's an Apple wireless keyboard that runs through Bluetooth, and yeah, I don't have a Mac or anything, but I have a computer that runs on Windows 7. Yeah, I already checked it out. Basically, like, and seen if that this wireless keyboard would run on my Windows, since I don't have a Mac or any type like that on my desktop. And I think it comes with batteries too. I'm not sure. I just got it open, so I gotta give this dude feedback on the on eBay eventually. Bubble wrap, more bubble wrap. Oh, it's wrapped. Sweet. And there's just more bubble wrap, but we're gonna get rid of that. I'll put all this bubble wrap in here, and then here's the keyboard. So I've been waiting for. Yeah, my homie wrapped it up good. It's been used. He said it was used for like 5 minutes, if that, and he didn't like it. Let's open it. Oh my god, dude! Oh my god! It's really nice. It smells brand new. Like, you know how an item, like if you ever bought something and you open it and it smells brand new. Oh my. It smells brand new. Guess I'll pull it out real quick. Oh my god, it's so tiny. I got the original manual. Apple 1 year limited warranty. That's fine. Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Oh, oh wow. So it's got the inbred Apple logo. It's actually like indented into it. It's got a little bit of dirt on it, but it's okay. It's fine. Excuse me. Yeah, but it's fine. It's got a little dirt. It's just white. That's why. But it's awesome. I'm gonna have to hook it up to my computer in a little bit here. But let me see. I just want to see if dude gave me. I don't think he gave me batteries. I thought he would. So I thought it said in the description on eBay. Just gotta take this cap cover off real quick. Oh yeah, there's batteries. Wow, sweet. 2 Energizer AA batteries. I wonder if they're still in working good condition. Like, I wonder if these are original batteries that came with it. I don't know. But anywho, I'm gonna drop my keyboard. It's actually made pretty damn good. And it just has right here. It just tells you the battery information of how the battery goes in. So I'm gonna do that. And here's your little metal lead cap, or whatever. You just basically screw that down, and we're good to go. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. If you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel, and hit that thumbs up button, and thank you. Yeah, so there's the keyboard. It's really tiny. I got my warranty, and then the original box, wireless keyboard, original Apple box. Alrighty, thank you, peace out, give me that thumbs up, and you guys have a wonderful day and night.